You can easily customize your iPhone's text style in just a few taps. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, you'll find an option called Text Size. Simply drag the slider to make the text larger or smaller according to your preference. You can also turn on bold text to make all system fonts appear thicker and easier to read. For even more text customization, go back to the main Settings menu, tap Accessibility, then select Display and Text Size. Inside this section, you'll find options like larger text, button shapes, and increase contrast. These tools are great for making your iPhone display more personalized and comfortable to use. To explore different font styles, open Settings again and scroll until you find the Font option. Here, you'll see the system fonts and any additional fonts you've downloaded from the App Store. Keep in mind that Apple currently doesn't allow a complete system-wide font change on iOS. However, if you want to type using different fonts, go to Settings, then Accessibility, scroll to find Keyboard and tap on it. Next, tap on Hover Typing and toggle on the switch. You'll now see a font option where you can choose your preferred typing style. When you open your keyboard and supported apps, you'll notice your text now appears in the selected font. This won't change the font across your entire iPhone system, but it's a simple way to add a personal touch to your messages and notes. And that's it. Like and follow for more iOS 26 tips and tricks.